Hello engineers. Here I got the cargo version of my monorail with different rail cars. Almost the same suspensions. Little performance setup I made with them, but everything else is pretty much the same. The rail cars are a little bit shorter. And now here it's driving with full load. It's half million kilograms while driving, and it just makes already a couple loops around the track. What? It looks a little bit dangerous how while you're passing the curve parts, but it's in it's working issueless. One point what I changed is here in the middle part, the rotors are now directly attached to the hinges without this small grid conveyor frame, which means it was one small block higher. That's what I primarily deleted. And from the drive wheels, the first ones I set them a little bit softer, while cause they're with full load it was it's a what is a hard or but a kind like looks like a bit collision when the suspension passes a rail part. Rail, now I can go inside. Well, okay, you can see here. A bit more than 500,000 kilograms. But this is pretty much. There's also some tanks. They are not completely filled because that takes so much time to fill the H2 tanks in survival mode. So they are 50% plus filled. Also the extra oxygen tanks. Alright. So let them trim or let them stop. And here you can see those old small cargo containers, but here I just filled them entire to get the mass. Wagon here. The first two wheels are a bit softer. Also the last two wheels were for driving in the other direction, and in the middle part they got the same straight, and the hinges No, I did not really change without these here. I deleted here these block parts here to get a little bit lower or nearby to the rail, the somehow Americans try it here different direction. Also working, but losing while passing curve part by curve part, losing almost sometimes 25 or better, yeah, 25 to 50% of the speed. But the collision or the impact is soft enough that you could pass it all without any block damage. Yeah. This is let him stop. Okay, so well, take a look here. While crossing here, side wheels are strong enough to, while passing a curve, to push the rail cars back in the correct position, but not too strong that you could get stuck between passing two rail parts. And now here we are stopped between. Oh ja, genau that. Stopped between multiple rail parts, and we. When it's exact on the curve. When it's exact between two rail parts, could be tricky to move on again. But it's also with max load not really a problem to start driving in the middle of a curve. I think this one is now ready for the next setup step, like to let them automatically drive from A to B. I have to think about how I too can do this the best way. And also maybe some or a cargo transfer script to automatically load and unloading. Well, I'll try here when I try to stop. It needs a bit space to stop, cause here it's because of the high full loaded weight of the entire train, and the most like a drone script or heli patrol script or something like that. That's I need there something where I can set long braking points, or maybe simply directly with the remote control and a sensor. And I also could put here maybe with the sensor which goes like here in the side direction, and make at the braking point something, some kind of block which would be detected from the sensor, so by the train is passing that point, it starts automatically with braking. But yeah, the design is yeah, a little bit different, but kinda similar to the other monorails. Just tried here on how this works when I use them with smaller rail cars. It's much less struggling, but passing curved parts is harder. It's sometimes also without any weight or any load. It's very hard while passing one track part to the next when there's here. This curve part here, while with the switch, is a little bit different. Here it does not this effect like the curve on curve parts. Also when you go high with almost full speed up, the suspensions keep smoothly in their position. Well, that's what I mean. When passing curve part by curve part, there starts a bit weird. Oh, this is working already. Usable. And also with the same concept. Okay. That's all for this video. Bye.